Okay, this is question 2 in the grade 8 practice exam that I gave you guys to take home this week. I've put in an extra piece of paper here because this one has a little bit more work to do and I want to make sure that we have enough space to do it. So the first thing that we do is we write down the topics. So in this question, you're going to have to deal with percents and decimals. It also deals with discount and tax. Okay, so it says the regular price of a laptop at the Electronics Shack is $40. Today, the store is offering a 30% discount. There is also a 15% tax to be applied on any purchase. So what is the final price of the laptop, including the tax? So we need to make sure that we do the discount first, and when we get the answer from the discount, we add the tax on top of that. So you could use this, you could do this as decimals. I think that what we were doing when we were practicing it in class is cross multiplying and doing it as a proportion. So I'm going to do it that way, but if you want to do it as a decimal, that's fine as well. Okay, so what I would do is first I would start with the discount. So it's a 30% discount, so you put 30 over 100 because it's 30% is equal to x over 840 because the total is $840. So then you actually go ahead and cross multiply. You're allowed your calculator. So I'm going to do 840 times 30 divided by 100. Okay, we're doing multiple choice right now, so you don't have to show all your work for this, so it's okay to just do it in your calculator. So here, my x will be 252. Okay, the difference between tax and discount is that when you calculate a discount, that has to be subtracted from the price because it's an amount that you're getting off of the price. Okay, so I'm going to do 840 minus 252. So again, if you want to use your calculator, you are allowed to. So you do 840 minus 252 is 588. So my price after the discount is $588 here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that and I'm going to calculate the 15% tax on top of that. So I'll move it over here so you can see. So tax, so you do the same thing. You put 15 out of 100, 15%. Now you're going to put x, the amount that we're trying to find, to add on top, over, but now instead of taking the 840 that we had in the original question, I'm going to take this 588. This is the discounted price. I'm going to cross multiply again, so I'm going to do 588 times 15 divided by 100. So that is $88.20. You'll notice that this is one of the options as one of the answers, but there's a step that you have to do on top of this because this is the amount of tax that's added on top of the price. But the last thing is you take the price, $588, and you add the $88.20 on top of that because you're adding the tax. So you do plus 588, and you should get $676.20. So again, so the answer here would be C, but the main thing to focus on when you're doing these types of questions is to remember that you do the discount first and then the tax, unless it's otherwise specified, but that you need to always remember that a discount is a decrease in price and a tax is an increase in price.